Hello tiny twinkles. Today in this video we'll be learning how to write the alphabet E. E for egg. Are you ready? Let's start. We'll be using clay, some ice cream sticks and then tracing sheet. Ready? Let's start quickly. Roll the clay in the form of a straight line. Then we'll cut the clay. So we are ready with 4. One should be long. Now let's prepare the letter E. The letter E starts with a standing line. So we'll take the long part of the clay and place it in a form of a standing line. Now let's take the other parts and form a sleeping line. One at the top, next at the middle, and finally at the end or bottom. So the letter E is formed. Isn't it easy? Let's revise. Standing line, sleeping line, and a sleeping line. This forms the letter E. Now let's start forming letter E with these ice cream sticks. First, standing line, then sleeping line. But we have only 2, so we'll cut into halves. Now we'll place the sleeping line 1 at top. Next we'll place the ice cream stick at middle in the form of a sleeping line. Good. Finally, let's place the ice cream stick at the bottom. So we formed the letter E. Super! Now we'll shift to the tracing sheet. Grab your pen, pencil, whatever you like and start scribbling. So how the letter E starts? First, it starts with the standing line. So let's trace the standing line first. Slowly, standing line, sleeping line, at the middle, one more sleeping line, and the sleeping line at the bottom. Let's continue. Standing line, sleeping line at the top, sleeping line at the middle, sleeping line at the bottom. Very good. Let's trace the E without dots. First starts with standing line, then sleeping line, finally one more sleeping line. Perfect. You learned the letter E. E for egg. Very good. Now let's trace the big E. Let's start with the standing line and then a sleeping line at the top, sleeping line at the middle, and finally the sleeping line at the bottom. Let's draw the egg. So E for egg. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. See you in the next video.